Mark chapter 14, verses 13 through 16 says, And he sendeth forth 2 of his disciples, and saith unto them, Go ye into the city, and there shall meet you a man bearing a pitcher of water. Follow him. And wheresoever he shall go in, say ye to the good man of the house, The Master saith, Where is the guest chamber where I shall eat the Passover with my disciples? And he will show you a large upper room, furnished and prepared. There make ready for us. And his disciples went forth and came into the city, and found as he had said unto them, and they made ready for the Passover. Not only do we have to find the right time and place to take communion, we must also get our hearts and minds in the right place. Repentance is the first step in preparing for communion. We also must remember his sacrifice and the power of it in our lives.